Yes, good afternoon, officers. Time for today's flash CSAT program. Today's topic is inequalities. So inequalities, very important topic, definite questions from UPSC. So if you observe, look at the statements, what conclusions must be made? Either A and B are of same age or A is older than B. How do you write this? So first, A and B are of same age or A is older than B. So greater than or equal to B. Next. Next, either C and D are of the same age or D is older than C. So D is greater than or equal to C. This is the situation. And B is definitely older than C. From this, B is definitely greater than C. This is the conditions. So from this, you know that B is definitely greater than C. So B is definitely greater than C, we can be added here. And D is definitely greater than or equal to C. So that is the situation. So which conditions must be true? So this clearly shows that the equation is A is greater than or equal to B. B is definitely greater than C. C is definitely less than or equal to D. That means C can be equal to D, or D is definitely greater than or equal to C, any of these conditions. So first thing is, since D is greater than C, we don't know, D can come here also. D can be greater than A also, that whole situation. So A is older than D, not, must be not. D is definitely older than A, that also we cannot conclude, because D can come here, D can come here also. Next, A is older than C. So from this equation, A is definitely older than C. B is older than D, so D we don't know, so the answer is C, which is option C. Like this, a simple inequality question can be solved. So look at this option. So the point is, D can lie before A or after A. D can lie before A or after B. So since we do not know anything about D, whichever options D is there, you can directly eliminate, and whichever is left over, you can directly answer. Like this, we can solve a simple inequality question. Next question, solve for real x. X square minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0. So the equation is x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0. So under such scenario, best method, multiply the first two terms, you will get 6x square. 6x square, try to get a minus 5x in between. So minus 3x minus 2x. So I can write this equation as x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 greater than 0. That means x into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3 is greater than 0. That means x minus 2 into x minus 3 is greater than 0. Now if two terms are greater than 0, product of two terms is greater than 0 means, so product of two terms greater than 0 means, it clearly shows that x minus 2 greater than 0 or x minus 3 greater than 0 is first case. Second case, product plus and, so remember this, plus into plus is greater than 0. Similarly, minus into minus is also greater than 0 because it becomes positive. Therefore, we have to look at both these cases, x minus 2 less than 0 or x minus 3 is less than 0. So these are all the possibilities. That shows that x is greater than 2, x is greater than 3, or x is less than 2, x is less than 3. Any of these two cases can come. Now from this equation, for solve for real x, x is less than 2 or x is greater than 3, x lies between 2 and 3, x is less than or equal to 2, x is less than or equal to 3, but equation is greater than 0, therefore equal to's you can remove, that is the first point. X is definitely greater than 2 only, no, there is a chance of x is less than 2 also, so this can be removed. So the possibilities are x is less than 2 can be possible or x is greater than 3 is possible, so that is a major point. So like this we can solve a simple inequality question using this. Next, he has given that modulus of 3x minus 5 is less than or equal to 7. So for this, let's look at, whenever mod is given, please remember, modulus of x is always equal to plus or minus x. That is a basic funda that you have to remember. Therefore, we will solve this as two parts. First part, second part. First one is 3x minus 5 is less than or equal to 7, first equation. Second equation you can make is 3x minus 5 minus of 3x minus 5 is less than or equal to 7. Any of these two equations you have to solve. So let's solve the first equation. So if I take this, 3x is less than or equal to 12, x is less than or equal to 4, that is first equation. Or you can also get, since minus is there, if you multiply by minus on both sides, this becomes 3x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. So multiplying by negative, multiply by minus implies change in sign. That is a major part that you have to remember. Therefore, minus, if I multiplied, this less than became greater than. Therefore, 3x greater than or equal to 12, x is greater than or equal to 4. So, this x is less than or equal to 4, x is greater than or equal to 4. I am getting two solutions. So, I need a value which is less than 4. I need a value which is greater than 4. So, that is my situation right now. So, find the solution set. So, this clearly shows that. So, if you take this greater than or equal to 7, so plus 12, x is greater than or equal to 4, minus 5 less than or equal to 7, 12. So, I need a value which is greater than, less than, equal to 4 or greater than or equal to 4. So, from the options, if you observe, is there any value which is greater than 4 is what you have to understand. So, greater than 4, there is nothing, only equal to 4 is there. So, minus 4 is not there, so you can eliminate this. So, minus 2 by 3 comma 4, it can be equal to 4 also. So, 4 must be included, so this is also gone. So, I need a number which is less than or equal to 4. Therefore, the answer is option B. Like this, we can solve simple inequality questions. So, that's all for today. Shamanth Pydikondala signing off. Bye-bye.